Good afternoon, students. Are you able to hear me? Hello. Is my voice clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So थोड़े आप ढीले ढीले से लग रहे हो. Is everything all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, there is one rule. Uh, Actually, when you feel any happy moments, you feel energetic. Okay. So, whenever you feel low, so you can do one thing. You can try to remember few incidents which made you very happy. So, it will increase your motivation level. Okay, good. So, yesterday we had discussed about the basics of matrices. Okay, so let's have some revision about what we have already learned. Chaliye, let me ask few questions. Anuj, I'm making one statement. You
Yes, sir.
need to tell me whether it's true or false. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
the statement is all square metrics are diagonal metrics. All
False,
square.
sir.
False. Perfect. Why it is false? Reason?
Sir, because the elements is also like matters.
Non-diagonal
That's
elements
why
has to be
zero.
zero. Yes. So in square matrix, uh, it is not possible that always non-diagonal elements are zero. Okay. So from square matrix we get diagonal matrix. Okay. So which is the condition? In square matrix, when non-diagonal elements are zero, we get which matrix? Diagonal
Diagonal
matrix.
matrix.
Okay. Now, there is another term which is called scalar matrix. Harsh, can you please explain what is scalar matrix?
Yes, sir.
What is scalar matrix? Is scalar matrix
So,
a diagonal?
scalar matrix are diagonal matrix. Yeah.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
but extra
Yes.
condition is there. Which is that extra condition?
So all numbers are equal. Elements are
Yes,
equal.
all diagonal elements in scalar matrix are equal. Okay. Now, Surendra, what is the difference between scalar matrix and identity matrix?
Sir, in identity matrix, the elements are one. I
Perfect.
mean the diagonal elements. Yes, sir.
Okay.
And in
And
scalar matrix,
hmm,
the elements can differ, not necessarily one.
correct. So, what is the mathematical value of identity matrix?
Sir, one.
One. Any matrix into identity matrix will give you what?
Sir, that
Matrix.
same matrix,
Same
matrix itself.
matrix. Yes, correct. So now I think few homework questions were given, and you might be having the answers with you. Do you have these questions with you, or else I can share the PDF file?
Sir, you can share the PDF file.
Okay, so just give me a minute. I am sharing a PDF file. So right now I have shared the file which contains answers. and another file which contains questions. So I hope you have received those files. Okay. Let's start with question number 6. Okay, so question number 6 here we have, find the values of x, y, and z from the following equations. We have the equations. Now question number 1 is very easy, and this you can solve. What we are supposed to do, when order of the matrix is same, as you can see, both the matrices are of the order 2 by 2. So we can just compare. So what is the value of y?
4.
Yes, z is 3. So this question is actually very easy. So now let's focus on this question number 2. Okay. So let's solve this question together. So question number 6, ka second one. What happened? Just a minute. Okay. So question number 6, second part. So question 6, second question, x plus y and 2. So we have x plus y, we have 2. Then we have 5 plus z, we have 5 plus z, and we also have xy. Okay, we have these 4 elements, and we need to compare with 6, 2, 5, 8. 6, 2, 5, and 8. So when we compare, we can write on comparing the similar elements, we get x plus y as 6, and we get xy as what? 8. So using this, we can, find the value. How to find the value? We can write like this: x is equal to 8 upon y. And here we can write in place of x 8 upon y plus y upon 1 as 6. Okay. Now what we can do here? We can take LCM. So 8 plus y square is equal to what? 6. And here we can write it is y. Okay. And look here, x plus y, we have 6, xy, we have 8. You can also follow other method. And what is the value of z which you can find? Z is very easy to find.
0.
Yes. Why 0? Because 5 plus z is equal to 5. So here you can write 5 plus z is equal to 5. So z is equal to 0. So are you getting some value? So here we can say 8 plus y square is equal to 6y. So I can write y square minus 6y plus 8 equal to 0. Can I say we can write like this: 4 2s are 8 minus 4y minus 2y plus 8 equal to 0. Y common, y minus 4 minus 2 common y minus 4 is equal to 0. Y minus 4 common y minus 2 is equal to 0. Are you able to recollect something?
तो मैंने यही वैल्यू को x के लेके किया तो सही रहेगा ना आंसर?
हाँ तो भी चलेगा. ओके, तो either y minus 4 is 0 or we can have y minus 2 is 0. So y can be 4 or y can be 2. Okay, and your method may differ. Ultimately you will be able to get the answer. Now what we will do, we have the equation ki x plus y was 6. X plus y was 6. So I will put above value of y in x plus y is equal to 6. So here I can write x plus 4 is equal to 6, and here it will be x plus 2 is equal to 6. So in this case, what will be the value of x? 2. Here, what will be the value of x? 4. So we have got the values of x, y, and z. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So shall we move in the next question?
Yes, sir.
So today 6 are present. I think you were 7. Who is absent? सुरेंद्र नहीं दिख रहा है. Okay. So now let's focus on the next question. Question number 3, you can try. Okay. Now look here, I am giving you the hint. You have x plus z. X plus z की value 5 है. तो just by looking at this, you can get the value of y. Y कितना होगा?
4.
Yes. And we have y plus z as 7. तो x कितना होगा?
2.
2. So I hope right now you can easily get the answer. So here we can say that y is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2. Okay. And when we get value of any variable x or y, we can put in that. So what will be the value of z?
3.
3. So I hope you got this answer. Okay. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 7. So here we have question number 7. Find the values of A, B, C, and D from the equations. So we have these equations. Okay. So let's solve the question. Question number 7. What do we have? A minus B, 2A plus C. A minus B, 2A plus C. Then 2A minus B. And we have 3C plus D. 3C plus D. And this is equal to minus 1, 5 and 0, 13. So we can compare like this. You can write on comparing A minus B is -1. And if I multiply this with 2, then it will become 2A minus 2B. This is equal to -2. Now second comparison will give me k 2A minus B equal to 0. So we have two equations. So I will change the sign. Okay, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. I hope you are able to understand. And when I add these two, 2A minus 2A 0, minus 2B plus B is minus B, and minus B's value is -2. So what is the value of B? B is 2. And we have A minus B as -1. This equation we were already having. Okay. So I put B is equal to 2 in A minus B is equal to -1. So what is the value of A? -1 plus 2. It will give you what? 1. Have you got these values? Hello.
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Then we have another equation, 2A plus C equal to 5. You can write below, but I have the space, so I'm writing on the right hand side. You can write below. 2A, A is 1, plus C, value is 5. So what is the value of C? 3. And then we have 3C plus D. 3 times C plus D as 13. So D will be 4. So we have got answers of A, B, C, and D. Are you all clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, देखो, if you feel that कि लिखना बाकी है, you need some time, so you can let me know, so I can wait. Okay, so I hope आप तो बहुत fast solve कर रहे होंगे, but if you wish me to reduce the speed, you can let me know. Okay, then we have question number 8. Here, Akshat, can you please read question 8?
A equal to, सर ये किसी और को बोलो ना.
हाँ, अरे आपकी आवाज बहुत अच्छी है. ओके.
सर वो कैसे बोलते A
अच्छा, आई कैन राइट. देखो, ए आई जे, यू कैन राइट, यू कैन से लाइक दिस, मैट्रिक्स ए इक्वल टू एलिमेंट्स ए आई जे ऑफ द ऑर्डर m into n. आगे,
is a square matrix if m is greater than n.
what do you feel when a matrix will become square
Option C,
matrix?
M is equal to N. Option
Yes,
C.
when number of rows is equal to number of columns. Yesterday we learned, then it will be a square matrix. Done? Okay. Then question number 9. Anuj.
Yes, sir.
Which of the given values of x and y make the following pair of matrices equal?
Okay. Now, which values will make these matrices equal? It means both the matrix के बीच में equal sign अगर रखनी है, तो just compare y की value क्या होनी चाहिए by looking at this.
7.
y has to be 7. अच्छा, what do you feel about x? x कितना होना चाहिए?
-7/3.
Yes, 3x will be -7. So x has to be -7/3. Now here, look, for x we also have another condition. This condition is also there. So as per this condition, okay, as per above condition, I have already recorded that as per above condition, x has to be -7/3. But as per this condition, what do you feel about the value of x?
-2. -2.
So can I say here I can write like this, ke -3x, if I compare 2 minus 3x equal to 4, so 2 will go to that side. So -3x will be 4 minus 2. It will be 2. So x has to be what? -2/3. So actually, is this possible that you can have different values of x?
No, sir.
You got this point? So here the correct option is B. क्यों B है? देखो y की वैल्यू चेक करो. ओके, दोनों में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर वी न्यू कि y plus 1 is 8. It means y has 7. और ये भी कंपेयर करो, y is equal to y minus 2, 5 is equal to y minus 2. So 2 will get transferred. तो again ऊपर भी y की वैल्यू, तो in both the cases we are getting as 7. But x की वैल्यू is differing in these two situations. तो this is not possible. ये दो मैट्रिसेस पॉसिबल नहीं है कि इक्वल होंगे, बिकॉज वैल्यू ऑफ x is differing. Got this point? Okay. So what you will do? ये क्वेश्चन आप लिखोगे कैसे? You can write solution like this, जो मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा है. Okay, you can write down. What I will suggest, what I will do, matrices के जो भी ये questions है, I will take print out, and if possible, I will keep at cities. You can collect later on so that you can have the basic material in hand. Shall we move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have question number 10. The number of all possible matrices of the order 3/3. It means total 9 elements are there, with each entry 0 or 1 is. So here there is a new concept involved. Okay. So have you learned something about permutations and combinations?
Sir.
Okay. So I'm giving you one, let's say, rule to remember this. Total possible matrices is equal to a number of digits to the power total elements. Now, in this question, what they are saying, okay, if we have 0 and 1, we need to make the matrix with each entry 0 or 1. So 0 और 1 ये दो ही नंबर को यूज करना है, एंड 3/3 का मैट्रिक्स बनाना है. So we have basically 0 or 1, two possible digits. Okay, two possible digits we can use, and we want to create the matrix of the order 3/3. So total how many elements are there? 9 elements are there. So check karo, what should be the answer? Can I say, you can write like this, 2 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 4 इंटू 2⁻1 9 को ऐसे स्प्लिट कर सकते हो? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
so we have 16 into 16 into 2. Will it be 5 and 2?
Yes, sir.
ओके, अब सम ऑफ यू मे थिंक कि सर 5 1 2 मैट्रिक्स कैसे बन सकते हैं सिर्फ 0 और 1 को लेकर. सो लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू. You know, there are so many different ways. For example, I can keep all the elements as 0. पॉसिबल है. 0 और 1 चाहूं तो मैं सब 0 यूज कर सकता हूं, या फिर सिर्फ पहली जगह पर ही मैं 1 लिखूं, बाकी सब 0 लिख दूं. ओके, और इट इज पॉसिबल दैट कि मैं पहली 2 जगह पर 1 लिखूं, बाकी सब 0 लिखूं. और भी बहुत सारे पॉसिबिलिटीज है. फॉर एग्जांपल, लेट्स से मैं सिर्फ सेकंड जगह पर 1 लिखूं. सो यू कैन इमेजिन के we can have varieties of matrices. So how many matrices are possible when 2 digits are there? What is the rule? Possible number of possible matrices is equal to number of digits which are allowed raised to in power. What do we have? Total elements in that matrices. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now चलो इसको मैं कंफर्म करता हूं. Let's say in the same question, if they give कि you want 2 by 2 का matrix, so how many matrices are possible using 0 and 1?
16.
We can use either 0 or we can use 1. Yes, and we will have 16 such options. Okay, there are 4 elements. So 2⁴, and we will have 16. Very good. So I hope you are comfortable with exercise 1. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have the concept of addition and subtraction of matrices, but I don't feel to teach you separately because similar position elements needs to be added or similar position elements needs to be subtracted. Okay, that you will be able to learn from the next exercise. So in front of your screen, you must be having exercise 3.2, and here we have question number 1. So Harsh, can you please read question 1?
Yes, sir. A is equal to 2, 4, C2.
B is so and so and C is so and so. फिर क्या लिखा है?
Find each of the following.
Find
A plus B.
each of the following. The first is A plus B. So what we are supposed to do? A plus B करना है. So look here. A and B, it means similar position elements should be added. So A plus B में पहला element क्या होगा?
3.
Yes, in A plus B, we will have first element as 3. उसके A 3 के बाजू में क्या होगा?
7.
Yes, और नीचे first element?
1.
Correct. And then
7.
7. Okay, पूरा बच्चे जैसा है. So can I say you can try A minus B? And आप मुझे बताओगे कि A minus B will give you first element as what?
+1, +1.
Yes. उसके बाजू में?
+1.
Perfect. And नीचे first element?
5.
5. 3 minus minus 2 means 3 plus 2. And then?
-3.
Yes. Okay. Now, this third situation, is asking you. I feel that you are comfortable. देखो बहुत छोटे क्वेश्चन है तो मैं बाजू में कर रहा हूँ, but I hope in your notebook you can write down answer like exercise 3.2, question number 1, sub question number 1, and it is sub question number 2 like this. So we have sub question number 3, 3a minus c. So please note, when I have 3a, it means I need to multiply each element of matrix A with 3. So first of all, I will find the matrix 3a. 3a, a को 3 से multiply करो. तो can I say we will have 6? उसके बाजू में 12, then 9, and then 6. You got this 3a. इन सब को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. And 3a, 3 times of a matrix minus c. So in matrix C, what do we have? Minus 2, 5, and 3 and 4. So now you do this. 6 minus of minus 2. 6 plus 2 will give you what? 8. 12 minus 5 will give you what? 7. So संकेत, नीचे का एलिमेंट बताओ, फर्स्ट वन.
हाँ सर. 6.
यस, परफेक्ट. एंड 6
और
के
उसका
बाजू में
2.
वेरी गुड. ओके, now this was easy, but now we need to learn a very important concept. So we can learn multiplication of matrices. So make a heading. It is called scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication. Okay, and it is very, very important and very, very easy. Scalar multiplication. So there is one rule for multiplication. For example, if my first matrix is having the order m into n, and if I want to multiply this with another matrix, and another matrix is having the order as n into p, so there is one condition. N has to be common. It means that number of column of first matrix has to be equal to what? Number of rows of second matrix. Otherwise, multiplication is not possible. So again, I am repeating, any matrix cannot be multiplied with any matrix. There is one condition. Which is the condition? First matrix ka number of column should be equal to second matrix ka number of rows. You got this point clear? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Okay, एक example. Let's say first matrix का order है 3/4 and second matrix का order we know order में we always write number of rows first. पहले row लिखी जाती है, then column. Okay, so second matrix is having the order as 3/3. So my question to you is multiplication possible?
No, sir.
Perfect. So multiplication is not possible. Why not possible? Because number of columns of first matrix is not equal to number of rows of second matrix. Now another thing is said that if multiplication is possible, then you get the multiplication matrix of the order m into n. So you will get which matrix? Multiplication matrix. And multiplication matrix will have the order as, sorry, m into p. First and fourth, mp. So let me give you another example. Okay. What you are able to see on your screen, you can note it down. Let's say another example I can give. One matrix is having the order of 2 by 3. Another matrix is having the order of 3 by 4. So you tell me multiplication matrix will have which order? Is multiplication possible?
Yes, sir.
2 by 4 will be ordered.
Yes, 2 by 4. Okay, take the first one and the last one. Okay, so before we multiply the matrix, we need to check whether this multiplication is possible or not. Now, let's say if I do the reverse of this, it means second matrix को मैं first matrix बना देता हूं. 3 by 4 का मैट्रिक्स है उसको पहला बना दिया एंड 2 by 3 के मैट्रिक्स को दूसरा बना दिया. So is multiplication possible?
No, sir.
No. You got this point? So in normal multiplication, 2 into 4 will give you 8. 4 into 2 will also give you 8. So order is not important in normal multiplication. A into B karo ya B into A karo, we get the same value normally. But in case of matrices, is it necessary that A into B is equal to B into A? Yes or no? Kya A into
No,
B is
sir.
equal to B into A? No. Okay. Rarely it can happen, but generally it doesn't happen. So in matrices, I can write in matrices, when I say AB means A into B is generally not equal to B into A. Okay. Rarely it might be possible, but generally in around more than 90% cases, it won't happen. So have you written all these things? Now I will give
Yes,
you
sir.
example. Okay, I will give you the example. Okay, let's say I have a matrix A, which is like 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, 2. And I need to multiply with matrix B. But before that, I need to decide the order of matrix A. So Lavanya, what is the order of matrix A?
3 by 2.
3 by 2. Okay. And matrix B is having the order as 4, -1, 3, 1. What is the order? 2 by 2. So is multiplication possible?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the order of multiplication matrix?
3 by 2.
Perfect. So when I know the order 3 by 2, it means I need 3 rows and 2 columns. थोड़ी बड़ी जगह मैं कर दूंगा. 3 by 2. So when we multiply the matrices, rule number 1, which is very clear, always be clear about the order of the final matrix. Okay, पहले तो matrix का order decide कर लो. Building बनाने से पहले, can I say plan has to be ready? So it is like this. You need to be clear about the structure. Now, look here, I am using the red pen. देखो मैं arrow कर रहा हूँ. Row को row में ही लिखना है. पहले मैट्रिक्स में से रो लेना है, दूसरे मैट्रिक्स से कॉलम लेना है. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, फ्रॉम फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स व्हाट विल वी टेक? रो. ओके, So for example, right now focus on the first matrix itself. So we have in first row 1 and 2, but 1 and 2 को style से लिखेंगे, 1 into something plus 2 into something. Again, फर्स्ट रो को फर्स्ट रो में ही लिखना है बट स्टाइल से. वी वेर हैविंग 1 and 2, तो 1 into समथिंग प्लस 2 into समथिंग. ये समथिंग क्या है वो बाद में डिसाइड करेंगे. तो नाउ हर्ष विल टेल मी कि हर्ष इन सेकंड रो व्हाट शुड आई राइट.
Sir, 3.
3 into समथिंग प्लस
4.
4 into समथिंग. उसके बाजू में भी सेम लिखेंगे, यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
3 into something plus 4 into something. Siddhi, in third row, what should I write?
-1 into bracket plus 2 into bracket.
Okay. स्टूडेंट है ना, मेरी इस मामले में बहुत मजाक करते हैं सब. आप मैट्रिक्स में समथिंग समथिंग बहुत करवाते हो. ओके, तो -1 into समथिंग प्लस 2 into समथिंग. सो आई होप यू ऑल आर क्लियर अबाउट दिस. नाउ अक्षत, second matrix say we need to take column. Okay, so in first column which elements you are able to see?
4 and 3.
4 and 3. Okay, लेकिन ये फर्स्ट कॉलम को कॉलम में ही लिखना है बट रो वाइज लिखना है. अब देखो कैसे. 4 3 4 3 4 3. अगेन मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूं कैसे लिखना है. कॉलम के एलिमेंट है 4 3. कॉलम को मैंने कॉलम में ही लिखा है बट रो वाइज लिखना है. दिस इज द पैटर्न टू मल्टीप्लाई. तो अक्षत, इफ यू ऑब्जर्व दिस पैटर्न, तो माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू इज व्हाट विल यू राइट इन द सेकंड कॉलम?
-1 and 1.
ओके, कॉलम वाइज और रो वाइज?
सर कॉलम में पर वो रो वाइज लिख.
रो वाइज लिखेंगे. तो -1 1 -1 1 -1 1. यू गॉट दिस पॉइंट? कैसे करना है? ओके, सो बहुत इजी है. आई होप यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हाउ दिस वर्क्स. ओके, and multiplication is actually very easy. Student, if they don't make mistake here in placement, they get the answer. So can I say my answer will be 4 plus 6? Here it will be 10. -1 plus 2. Can I say it will be 1? Then 12 plus 12, 24. Then -3 plus 4, it is 1. And then 6 minus 4, which is 2, and 2 plus 1, which is 3. So my final answer we can write like this. AB is equal to 10, 1, 24, 1, 2, 3. I hope you are absolutely clear about this. Have you noted this down?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So another question I can create for you. अब आपको solve करना है और मुझे बताना है. Okay. So let's say extra question I am creating for you. Matrix A is 1, 2, 3. It means 3 row and 1 column. Okay, and I have a matrix B. I need to multiply. So I need to have how many rows here? So here I have 1 row and 4 column. Now you need to multiply A into B. Whether this multiplication is possible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So how many elements will you have?
12.
12.
12. So in multiplication sometimes दो बड़े मैट्रिक्स छोटे में सिकुड़ जाते हैं and sometimes दो छोटे मैट्रिक्स बड़े भी बन जाते हैं. I hope you are able to get this point. Now you might have some confusion. Let me share with you. First of all, we are clear that 3 by 4 का मैट्रिक्स बनेगा. So I will write A into B is equal to 3 rows and 4 columns. So I need to be very clear about the order. 3 rows, 4 columns. Okay. Now in the first row, I have one. I have only one in first row. So I will write 1 into something, 1 into something, 1 into something, 1 into something. Okay. पहले मैट्रिक्स से रो लेना है. So रो को रो में लिखना है. Second row was 2. So 2 into bracket, 2 into bracket, 2 into bracket, and then I have 3 into bracket, 3 into bracket, 3 into bracket, and 3 into bracket. And in from the second matrix we need to take column wise. Okay, column को column में ही लिखना है. यहाँ पे row wise लिखने का सवाल नहीं है because only one element is there. So 2, 2 and 2. Then we have 3, 3 and 3. Then we have 4, 4 and 4. And then we have 8, 8 and 8. So I hope you all must be getting the same answer for this. And आप चैट बॉक्स में मुझे इस मैट्रिक्स की पहली रो के 4 नंबर्स बताओगे. Yes, 2, 3, 4, 8. Second row.
4, 6, 8, 16.
Yes, 4, 6, 8, 16. And in third row, we will have 6, 9, 12, 24. Okay. So now here we have 2 questions. You have matrix A and B. You need to find AB as well as you need to find BA. चलो तो है ये हम solve करते हैं in question number 1 part 4. So here in question 1 exercise 3.2 we have sub question number 4. We need to find AB where matrix A was 2, 4, 3, 2. 2, 4, 3, 2. And multiply with matrix B 1, 3, minus 2, 5. 1, 3, minus 2 and 5. अच्छा वेंटे से B into A तो पहले B मैट्रिक्स लिखो फिर A लिखो. Okay, you know how to do this. So try this. First of all, this is 2 by 2. This is also 2 by 2. So after multiplication, our matrix will also be of the order 2 by 2. Okay, कोई मुझे बताएगा हर्ष how to do this? पहली रो में क्या लिखेंगे?
Sir, 2 into 1.
हाँ yes 2 into 1 मैं ऐसे लिखता हूँ 2 something 4 something 2 something 4 something then I will have 3 and 2 3 2 3 and 2 okay आप वैसे जजमेंट से भी लिख सकते हो then I have in column 1 and minus 2 तो 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 and then I have 3 and 5 so 3 5 3 5 so which number you will get in the first row. Two minus 8 minus 6, then 6 plus 20, 26, 3 minus 4 minus 1, and 9 plus 10, 19. Are you all getting these values or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and if you have done this, then before we wind up today, you will have to find B into A. Matrix B into A, you will have to find 1, 3, minus 2, 5. And this you will multiply with 2, 4, 3, 2. Most probably you will get different answer. So I hope you will be able to get the answer for this. And let me share the answer with you. Look here. This should be your answer. 11, 10, 11, 2. If you get the answer, then you can raise the hand. 11, 10, 11, 2. Anuj got this answer. Good. Siddhi also got this answer. Okay. Lavanya, Harsh, Akshat got this answer. Very good. And some special gifts for you. Look here. We have question number 2. Compute the following. Sub question 1, you just need to add. Okay. Now, sub question number 3 is also very easy. And in sub question number 4, don't worry, you don't have trigonometry, but sine square x plus cos square x is what?
1.
1. Okay. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. तो ये rule simple वाला, you don't have trigonometry, you are lucky. In applied mathematics that is not there, but इतना तो कर सकते हो. And here in sub question number 2, there is one formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square is the short form of what?
A plus B the whole square.
A plus B the whole square. Okay. Look, you'd also have the answer. So I hope you are able to understand that these types of questions are extremely easy. Okay. So A minus B the whole square is A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay. So chaliye, we'll continue tomorrow. Wish you a good day. Bye-bye.